Hello there, it's the 12th of December, and so it's time to open door number 12 on our advent calendar. Just a reminder, we've had an angel that has come to Mary and told her that she is going to have a baby boy. And then Joseph had a dream and was told that Mary was going to have a baby. And so then they got told that as part of the census they had to go back to their hometown, so they went to Bethlehem. And there they were placed in a stable, and then Jesus was born, placed in a manger, and yesterday we found out about some shepherds. And so what is behind door number 12? So we've got another angel, and so this one is with the shepherds, and it says, "Behold, an angel of the Lord stood by them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them." And that was Luke chapter 2 verse 9. So there we go, an angel has appeared to the shepherds. Come back tomorrow and we'll find out what's behind door number 13.